Hi guys! In today's video, you will learn how to make Instagram account private to public. So let's begin. First, open your Instagram app and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap the three lines or the menu icon at the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on Settings. From Settings, tap on Privacy. And then you can see right here, Account Privacy, Private Account. So now what you're going to do is to click on this blue button right here to switch this to Public Account. Now click on Switch to Public. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.